Namaste. Today I am going to present LIC's most selling policy, Best Plan Jeevan Umang with table number 945. The special feature of this policy is this policy provides guaranteed pension for whole life plus huge maturity. Eligibility condition of this policy can be given from 3 months baby to 55 years age. Minimum sum assured starts from 2 lakhs and maximum no limit. Policy term available are 15 years, 20 years, 25 years and 30 years. These are premium paying term. Policy term will be 100 years. Premium payment modes available are yearly, half yearly, quarterly and monthly. We can also take additional riders like accidental death and disability rider, term rider, critical illness rider and premium waiver benefit rider. Benefits of the policy. The major benefit of the policy is this policy provides 8% guaranteed returns from the premium payment term. So 8% of the sum assured will be given every year for complete life from completion of premium payment term, and huge maturity on 100 year or on death, whichever is earlier. Insurance coverage starts from day one. In case of natural risk, sum assured plus bonus plus final additional bonus will be given. And if ADDB rider is opted, in case of risk or permanent disability, one more sum assured will be given. And if term rider is opted, one more sum assured, maximum up to 25 lakhs will be given. In case of minors, the insurance coverage starts from 2 years from the date of commencement of the policy or 8th year, age 8th year, whichever is earlier. We can take loan after 2 years. Income tax benefit under section 80C up to 1.5 lakhs. Tax free maturity under section 10 of 10D. Let us take example of 1 crore sum assured for age 30 years, premium paying term 30 years. Let us also take ADDB rider and term rider. In this case, from 60, age 60, the policy holder will get 8 lakhs guaranteed pension for complete life. Every year 8 lakhs till 100 years. So on 100th year, 10 crores maturity will be given. Per day premium for this case is 880 rupees change. And insurance coverage from day one in this case is 2 crores 25 lakhs plus bonus plus final additional bonus. Then why Jeevan Umang? Jeevan Umang provides guaranteed pension, that is 8% of the sum assured from completion of premium paying term to complete life, whole life, plus huge maturity. So 90% of the Indian population don't have pension provision. So this policy provides regular income after retirement. We can plan as a pension plan. Why LIC? LIC is the safest place for investment, the biggest organization with Government of India guarantee. For more details, please call me on 9849898916. Thank you.